discussing all about least common multiple. And now we will be using listing method and finding the least common multiple of the given numbers. So let's have it here. Now, before we start with the discussion, let's try to review first. Give the first 5 multiples of the given numbers. So by getting the multiples of 6 or the first 5 multiples of 6, we can do the skip counting, such as 6 times 1 is 6, 6 times 2 is 12, 6 times 3 is 18, 6 times 4 is 24, and 6 times 5 is 30. So again, when we say multiples, these are the results or the products after multiplying numbers. Okay, so again, when I say multiples, sometimes, or not sometimes, actually multiples are also products. When you multiply numbers, whatever the results, you consider those as multiples. So therefore, the first 5 multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, and 30. Now, what are the first 5 multiples of 9? 9, 18, 27, 36, and 45. So if you multiply 9 times 1, it will give you 9. 9 times 2, 18. 9 times 3, 27. 9 times 4, 36. 9 times 5 is 45. So we can say that 9, 18, 27, 36, and 45 are multiples of 9. Now we can have 11. So 11, we'll do the skip counting. 11, 22, 33, okay, 33, 44, and the last would be 55. Okay, that's it. So the multiples or the first 5 multiples of 11 are 11, 22, 33, 44, and 55. Okay, now let's try to move here and let's identify what is least common multiple. So when we say least common multiple, it is the smallest multiple of a group of numbers. So let's try to find out what is the least common multiple of 4 and 6. Or sometimes we could say, what is the LCM? Or the shortcut way of saying least common multiple, you will just say LCM. Okay, what is the least common multiple of 4 and 6 using the listing method? So all you need to do is to do the skip counting. You need to provide first 5 multiples of 4. So we can have 4, 8, 12, 16, and 20. Okay, now for 6, we can have 6, 12, 18, 24, and 30. Now take a look at, is there any common number? Yes, there is, and that number is 12. So therefore, we can say that the LCM or the least common multiple of 4 and 6 is 12. Okay, that's very easy. Now, we'll try another one. What is the least common multiple of 5 and 8? So again, by using the listing method, all you need to do is to do the skip counting or list the first 5 multiples. 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25. Okay, we are done with 5. Now let's have 8. 8, 16, 24, 32, and the last would be, or the fifth would be 40. But now, students or viewers out there, try to look at, is there any common number? Is there any common number? So I guess if you try to look at very carefully, you cannot find any common number. Since there is no common number, all you need to do is to continue doing the skip count until such time we can find a common number. 30, 35, and 40. I guess I need to stop because I can see now a common number. And that number is 40. So we can say that the LCM of 5 and 8 is 40. Yes, the answer is 40. Okay. Now let's have another. This will be the last example. What is the least common multiple of 10 and 12? So again, all you need to do is to do this listing method or do the skip counting. You can have 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. I advise all the students and viewers out there that you need to have the first 5 multiples first. Then after finding, if there's none, that's the time you have to continue counting, because numbers are infinite. You cannot finish that listing all the multiples of 10. Okay, we can have 12, 12, 24, 36, 48, and 60. Okay, if there's something wrong with my number, you have to comment down below. Okay, 12, 24, 36, 48, and 60. I guess all the numbers are correct. We can have, can we find any common number? Okay, try to check. Okay, there is none. So therefore, we can continue counting here. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and that would be 60. Okay, there is a common number now, and the number is 60. So therefore, we can say that the LCM of 10 and 12 is 60. So that's the answer. So I hope you learned for today, and I hope that by looking or watching this video, you learned the concept of finding the LCM of the given numbers using the listing method. So thank you for listening. Have a nice day and God bless.